I am a painter. I've been making art since I could breathe. When I was younger, I used to draw on the walls. I used to make Barbie clothes with pillowcases and sheets and curtains, and it's been pretty much a natural thing since I was younger. I'm inspired by everything. I love nature. I love being outdoors. I love seeing things. I'm such a visual person. I love traveling. I love colors. I love anything psychedelic. I love time periods. I pretty much love everything this world has to offer, and I try and get outside as much as I can. I try and travel as much as I can because I'm so visually stimulated. My creative process is pretty crazy. You know, one day I might frantically want to paint for 12 hours. I might go 3 days without painting, then I'll spend another 3 nights awake painting. So it's pretty much just like mad scientist. You never know what I'm doing. You never know what's going to be next. Nothing's ever planned. I never practice. It should feel naturally. 5 years, I hope to be finished with school with a degree or 2. I also major in fashion, so any way I can get my work into fabrics or textiles, just any medium and any art would just make me really happy. My website is society6.com/AChewArt, CHEW. My name is Ashley B. Chew, and I am a raw artist.